Hi guys, I'm Siley and I love reading books. I couldn't upload the previous Saturday as I had exams, so I apologize for that. Before we begin, I just wanted to say thank you so much for 54 subscribers. We surely have come a long way. Today I will review two books by Joanne Kathleen Rowling, more commonly known as J.K. Rowling. Without further ado, let's get started. So, the first book we will be reviewing today is The Ichabog. I read this book when I was around 12 and I absolutely loved it due to its delicious writing, both figuratively and non figuratively, as it described the food to such an extent that my stomach rumbled. There is also one other quite amazing thing. Before publishing the book, J.K. Rowling allowed a person at any age with drawing skills to paint, sketch, or draw a picture based on a phrase given out on the official website. Out of all the drawings submitted, a selected few were taken and featured in the book with credits to the person who uploaded it, which I think is a very creative way to interact with loyal fans. Continuing, the story follows Daisy, who is a young girl who lives in a town near the royal palace and is introduced as a smart, curious, and a kind character. We are then introduced to King Fred, who rules the kingdom of Cornucopia where Daisy lives. Despite his wealth and apparent success, King Fred is not particularly wise or good at ruling. A group of his advisors, eager to exploit the king's insecurities and arrogance, convince him that the Ichabod is a terrifying mythical creature that exists to threaten the kingdom. The main character now tries to shine light upon this mystical threat and ventures out into the real world to find out who this Ichabod is. This book had themes of adventure, curiosity, and misjudgments. The novel beautifully portrays how humans are so quick to judge without even questioning the truth and blindly following what others claim. So now we will be doing a Christmas special book, which I do admit I am quite late to. It is The Christmas Pig. This book follows a young boy named Jack who is devastated when his beloved childhood toy, a pig named Der Pig, goes missing just before Christmas. In a turn of fate, Jack is introduced to a new magical companion, a new toy pig called the Christmas Pig, who leads him on an extraordinary adventure. While the plot is primarily centered around the Jack's quest to recover his lost toy, the underlying message about finding what truly matters in life, the people we love, the memories we cherish, is universal and meaningful. This particular book discussed forgiveness, teamwork, and hope. The Christmas Pig offers the comforting idea that magic is real, even if it's just our imagination. And that wraps up our reviews for today. Both of these books share the same author but quite different dynamics. While The Ichabod focuses on adventure and the revelation of good, The Christmas Pig focuses on heartfelt moments and teamwork. I would rate The Ichabod as 4 stars out of 5, as I do love the character development and I also love the insane plot twist. As for the age rating, I believe it's good for about 9 plus, although some sources say it is good for 8 plus. The Christmas Pig, on the other hand, would be a 3 stars for me, as I did not quite like the writing. As for the age rating, I believe it's an 8 plus. Finally, what do you think? Have you read either of these books or do you have similar recommendations? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share it with fellow book lovers. Have a fantastic day and happy reading!